So today we're going to go to the Orange County Irvine Central Park, and this is going to be our first time this year, so we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Talk to you later. Bye.
Who let the dogs out?
Let's go.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Oh, new chair.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? When the party was nice, the party was bumping. Yippee-yi-yo. And everybody having a ball. Yippee-yi-yo. I tell you all the fellas, start the name calling.